Welcome to Abhiyanvi tutorials. I come across a task where login time and logout time are given. So I have to populate a shift column, whether it's a EST or PST. So I'm thinking to do this with a custom column in Power Query. Let's start. So I loaded data here. So manual clocking time is there, manual clockout time is there. So based on this, I have to populate shift column. If anything of these two, clocking time null or clockout time is null, then that person has not come, then it is leave or holiday. Okay guys, so let's start. So I'll remove all other columns from here to end. Remove columns, then I will change the type to date and time here, and here also date and time. Okay, then I populate the custom column, add the custom column, then I will rename it to shift. Okay, so let's start. If manual clocking time equal to null or manual clockout time equal to null, then it is leave or holiday. Leave or holiday. Okay, else if manual clock-in time is less than 5:30 a.m. okay, less than 5:30 a.m. okay, then it is EST. okay, but here we have clock-in time is in date and time, so we have to extract only time from the date and time. So what we have to do here, we have to use date and time, date time dot time. Okay, this function we have to use to extract time from date and time. Okay guys, then we have to compare with 5:30 a.m. and here it is test, so we have to convert test to the time. Okay, so time from test we have to use here. Okay, so here close the else if bracket here, then it is EST. okay, else if same thing with the clock out time. Okay, let's copy all these things up to here, then it is clock out time less than 3 a.m. okay, clock out time less than 3 a.m. here. Okay guys, then it is EST. If above conditions are not met, then else it is PST. Okay, so this is our custom column. So first we compared clock-in time null or clock out time, then it's a leave or holiday. Less than 5:30 a.m. clock-in time, then it is EST, and less than 3 a.m. clock out time, then it is EST. If above conditions are not met, it is PST. Let's see the output. Okay guys, like this it will populate. Okay, this is a PST, and here holiday and leave. If you go bottom, let's see whether EST is there. Here EST is there because 1, right? This is 1 a.m. so it is less than 3 a.m. so it is EST. Like that we can populate shift column using custom column in Power Query. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel Abhiyanvi tutorials. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.